Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Tab S10 Ultra and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To do that, open Google Chrome application and tap on three dots on the right corner where we choose settings, and there we have our Google Password Manager, and there we have some passwords to manage, but I don't have any. Must think as fast I can do that. And there we have password which our smartphone or table remember. Now we can click on it, enter our look screen to get connected to that, and in it we can copy our email, username and password using this first icon, or after we press this ice icon our smartphone show us password which remember. You can also share this password to someone using this icon and send it to our friends, or edit some information by tap on edit and write something new in our username, passwords or note. But remember, when you change something, press save. The last thing which we can do with it is delete this password by delete and confirm by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.